Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I'm going to guide you through teenage skincare routine, tips and tricks and the mistakes to avoid. So let's start. First, when I was a teenager, I did so many mistakes, and the first and the major mistake was I overestimated the skincare products and I underestimated my skin, the power of my skin. I thought my skin is dependent on skincare products and it cannot do anything on its own. No, this is wrong. Our skin is the largest organ of our body. It knows how to take care of itself. It is capable of so many things. It is strong, intelligent, capable, sufficient, efficient. If you are a teenager, your skin already has very good cellular turnover rate, which means it can create new cells very easily. It can get rid of the old cells easily and effectively. So you don't need to over scrub your skin or over exfoliate. So please, again, don't underestimate the power of your skin. I know I did. I thought my skin was so dependent on the scrubs and everything. I need to scrub every day, every other day to encourage the new cell growth. No, your skin is already doing that. So please go on and give some credit to your skin. And it was terrible when I was a teenager. I invested on skincare, like bad skincare products. I made many videos about the mistakes I have made about during this time. I'm gonna leave the link down below. So yeah, I'm gonna be 27 this November, so it's long time back, but still I wish I knew that my skin was and is still capable of so many things. So yeah, skincare products, they are not miracle. I mean, they can support your skin, they can protect your skin from the environmental damage sometimes, like sunscreen. If you're stepping out and your skin is exposed to sun, your skin needs the sun protection. And I strongly believe as a teenager, you don't need much. A gentle cleanser first, then toner. See, if you are taking care of the pH of your skin while washing, you don't really need a pH balancing toner. But if you still want to use a toner, go for the toners with a pH from 5 to 6 with good ingredients, and then moisturizer. As simple as that. I don't think you necessarily need actives, serums or treatments unless you have skin issues. If you suffer from acne, please visit a doctor because you need to know why your acne is happening. It can be for bad skincare products or stress, hormones, many things. So you need to know the reason to treat it. And there are many acne treatments, salicylic acid based, then there is this other retinoid, many things. So yeah, I would advise you to go to a doctor. If you have textured skin, you can use AHA twice in a week, but I won't encourage you to use chemical exfoliant before you are like 17 or 18. Then you need a good moisturizer and then sunscreen. Please use sunscreen every day. It's gonna protect your skin. And remove your makeup diligently. Don't experiment with too many skincare products. And lifestyle, food habit, everything matters. Another thing, please don't try everything, every new product that is available in the market. Don't think that every new skincare product is a revelation or is necessarily better. It is not. Skincare industry is saturated with so many products. You cannot use everything and anything on your skin because it can irritate your skin more. So please don't experiment with your skincare routine so much. If you want to experiment with your makeup, lipstick, nail polish, use different colors. But skincare is about our skin's health. I don't think much experiments should be done over there. Another thing that I've been noticing is that teenagers, they are using so high concentration, high percentage of actives. Highest doesn't mean always better. It can irritate your skin, it can harm your skin in the long run. Suppose your skin needs like 3% niacinamide or 5% niacinamide and you are putting 10% niacinamide. Don't think it's gonna be better. It is not. Overfeeding our skin is never better. As simple as that. You won't overfeed yourself, right? You won't overeat to you're providing more nutrition for your body, because simply if we consume too much of vitamin C, our body would react. It is not going to be good for our body, as simple as that. So don't think doing the same thing with your skin is going to be a good idea. too much actives, never good. So please be mindful there, and this percentage chasing should stop, because people think highest percentage means it's better, more effective. No, it is not. It comes down to the formulation, effective, and how much your skin can take. As simple as that. And I have been giving feedbacks to the brands that please come up with actives for the beginners. Like they have like 10% niacinamide, 20% of vitamin C, and teenagers, they're using that thinking that it's gonna be good. No, I think brands, they should make a skincare for the beginners, like 5% mandelic acid, 3% niacinamide, and this will be very helpful, because skincare industry should be more inclusive. There should be different actives for the beginners, for someone whose skin is used to the actives, for someone at their 30s or 40s. It will be very helpful, because people, they're using everything. They don't know what to use, and they're using just everything and anything that is not designed for their skin, that is not meant to be used on their skin at this certain age. So it can lead to more distraction, and our skin's barrier can get damaged. And the mistakes I have seen people make during this time, that they overwash their skin. It is not good, because our skin has this healthy microbiome. You're going to disrupt your microbiome. From there, your skin's protective barrier is going to get weakened, and all the problems going to start. And then people, what to do, they over exfoliate. You don't need that, especially when you're a teenager, as I've said earlier, because your skin is already doing its best. And actives, it depends on your skin needs. If you have acne, then you can use salicylic acid, retinoid, but please do visit a doctor. Then if you have pigmentation, niacinamide might help. Then texture skin, mandelic acid, AHA, and please change your pillow cover frequently. It has helped me a lot. It seems to be very simple but very effective, and many people, they overlook this thing. So yeah, change your pillow cover frequently. Then another thing is, don't use too many skincare products, because honestly your skin is already, I'm repeating myself, but still I'm gonna say again and again that your skin is already very strong, intelligent, healthy. So you don't need to fix something which is not broken. So please be mindful there, and be consistent with your skincare routine, because I have seen people, they use one product for 10 days, they don't see any changes, then they switch to another product. Your skincare products need some time to work, so please give it that. Then what else? Use sunscreen every day. Be mindful of your mental health, physical health, lifestyle. Skincare is really subjective, so know which skincare products and ingredients work best for you, and detect the skincare ingredients that don't really work well for your skin and that can cause irritation to your skin. Know about formulation, know about the ingredients, so you can choose the best. You don't fall for the marketing gimmicks or anything. So yeah, educate yourself, because it is about your skin's health, and skincare is a long-term investment. So choose wisely, choose carefully. And yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.